Hello students, in my previous video I told you about the nomenclature of alkenes and I also gave you an assignment, that is, write the structure and correct the name of the following compounds. So, first I will tell you about the pronoun. The first name is 2,3-diethylbutane. This name, whether this name is correct or not, you should write this structure in this form as it is directed you 2,3-ethylbutane. So you will write here the skeleton of butane. This is the skeleton of butane. There are 4 carbons in this and all the carbons are bonded with single bond. So it is the skeleton of butane and 2,3-diethyl, then complete it CS3, 2,3CH, CH and CS3. If you give number 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is again 2,3-diethyl. Here you will write C2H5 and here you can write C2H5. This is the name that is given to you, and you have made the structure, you have written the structure of the 2,3-diethylbutane. This is the structure of 2,3-diethylbutane. Now you should think whether this structure is right or wrong. So in this way, it looks like that this is correct. But if you write this CS3, this is CS3 for CH, CH3, C2H5. This is C2H5, CS2, CS3, and in the same way, CH, CS2, and CH3, and this is CS3. So you have written it. So when this alkyl group are written in the condensed form, then you should elongate them in the open chain like this, in the straight chain. In the straight chain. Now find out the longest chain. I think that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here the longest chain is of 6 carbon. So the parent compound will be hexane, not butane, So the name, so here the parent compound is hexane. It is hexane. Now you can say, give the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is 3-methyl. 4-methyl, so you write here 3,4-dimethyl hexane. The correct name of this will be 3,4-dimethyl hexane. So this the name of giving the substance was wrong, and hence you have what mistake I have done to give you the name. I couldn't choose the longest chain, this longest chain rightly, because I have chosen the longest chain of 4 carbon. But now I came to know that there is a 6 carbon atoms chain. So here are the longest chain is of 6 carbons. So the name of this compound will be 3,4-dimethyl hexane. So I think that you have understood it. So again 2. What will be the name of the 2? 1-ethyl-butane. 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 The name. How will you write? You will give the structure of CS3, CS2 and CH3. Suppose this is butane, butane. We will write here CS2 and CH3. You can give the number 1, 2, 3, 4, and when you add 1 ethyl, this is number carbon 1. So here you will write the hydrogen 2 and ethyl C2H5. C2H5. So again you will write the condensed form in the elongated form CS2, CH2 and CS3. This is C2H5. This is C2H5. So the 1 ethyl butane. The name is correct, but when you think this is the longest chain about the longest chain, then you will find there are 6 carbons in the longest chain. So you will give the number from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It is hexane. It is simple hexane. State this 6 carbon in a single straight line. Strengthen this in the straight line. So you will find the 6 carbon. The name of this compound will be only hexane. The hexane will be the name of this compound. So I have told about the 2. And the third one, 3 ethyl 2 butene. 3 ethyl 2 butene. So first of all, you will write the skeleton of the 2 butene. Skeleton of 2 butene. The skeleton of 2 butene is CS3. The skeleton of 2 butene is CS3, CH, double bond, CH and CS3. This is the skeleton of the 2 butene because 1, 2 double bond. So this is skeleton of the butene. You can get the number from either side. You 1, 2, suppose 2, and this is 3, and this is 4. This is the skeleton of the 2 butene. You have write the structure of the 2 butene. Now there is 3 ethyl. 3 ethyl. You will put the ethyl group here. And you will write like this C2H5. This is C2H5 ethyl. This is C2H5 ethyl. You will write ethyl in the structure like this only in the C2, CS2, CS3, not in a condensed form. So now you have it is the first mistake is. That is not correct, but I am telling you the first mistake. You should start the number from here. 2, 3 and 4. It should be 2 ethyl, 2 butene. It should be 2 ethyl, 2 butene. Because you should the C2H5, the ethyl group should be given the list number from this start. You have counted start the numbering from this end. So you should start the numbering from 1, 2, 3, 4. You should have started the numbering from this here. Because that this number will be given to C2H5. So it is 2 ethyl, 2 butene. So again there is a mistake. 3 ethyl, not 3 ethyl, but 2 ethyl butene. But again this name is wrong. Again this name is wrong. Again we are mistaken here. That how will you correct the mistake? Again come to the structure that 3, 1. Select the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Select the longest chain. So here you will find the longest chain of 5 carbon atoms here. So give the number to locate the CS3 group. Give the number to 1, 2 and this is 3, 4 and 5. The correct name of this compound will be 3-methyl. 3-methyl. The correct correct name will be 3-methyl and 1,2,3. Here 1,2,3-methyl. Again I am writing this 1,2,3,4. 3-methyl, 3-pentene. 3-pentene. Again think is, if I give the numbering from this here 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, the name will be this compound, then the name will be this compound 1, 2, 3, 3-methyl, 2-pentene. 2-pentene. So the name, this name will be correct and this name will be wrong. So again understand, I have confusion, I have made some confusion here. So again come to this to correct the name. 3,2-butene, CS3, CH, CS2, CS3, and this is double bond and CS3. So here 3-ethyl 2-butene. It is 1, 2, 3 and 4. 3-ethyl and 2-butene. Now you should select the longest chain again. 3. It is the longest chain. So here the longest chain is of 5 carbon, so it is pentene. When you show the location of double bond, then you should start this number from here. So here this is double bond. So you will write the name of the parent compound is 2-pentene. The parent compound is 2-pentene. And now the methyl group is located on the 3rd carbon. So you will write the correct name of this compound 3-methyl and 2-pentene. This will be the correct name of this compound. Again come to the 4. 3-isopropyl 4-methylhexane. 3-isopropyl 4-methylhexane. So I will write the structure of this compound as the name given. The name is given to be 4-methylhexane. The parent compound is 4-methylhexane. So I will write the 4-hexane. Hexane has 6 carbon atoms: CS3, CS2, CH2, CH2, CH2 and CH3 and 3CH3. And again 3-isopropyl. You should give the number from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 3-isopropyl. Isopropyl is the group I have already told you. CS3, CH and CS3. This is isopropyl group. So you can write this isopropyl group in this way: CS3 and here it is CS3. So this is CS, this CS3 comes here. So you can write this. This is 3-isopropyl group. When you add this isopropyl, here hydrogen must be 1. This is the actual the structure as the name tells us. The 3-isopropyl 4-methylhexane. 4-methyl, 3-isopropyl and 4-methyl. Here is 4-methyl. This one here. So you will write here 4-methyl. So you write here 4-methyl. This is 4-methyl. So you write here 4-methyl. So this name 3-isopropyl, 4-methyl. So now it is this name. Now C. whether this name, this structure or this name correct or not. So you will find whether. So please check the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here are two longest chain having the same number of carbon atoms, that is 6. So there are two longest chain which have the carbon atom 6. So here you can say which the longest chain you will select, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 this one, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 this one. So here I told you that when there are two longest chain having the same number of carbon atom, then the chain that has the maximum number of constituents substance group will be selected. So here, if you select this is chain as a longest chain, there are only two substance group. One is methyl and second one is isopropyl. But if you select this chain, this is longest chain. Here this is the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 it is. This is long of the 6 carbon. Then there are one substance 2 and CS3. This one CS3. This is also a substance group here. So there are 3 substance groups. In that case there were 2, and in this case there are 3 substance groups. So this chain will be selected here, and again you will give the name from. You will start the numbering from this end, because from this end you are giving the list number to this substance group 1, 2, 3, and this is 4, this is 5, 6. So the name of this compound 3-ethyl and 4-methyl, 4-dimethyl. So you can write here 4-dimethyl and 3-ethyl. 3-ethyl, 4-dimethyl, 3-ethyl hexane. 3-ethyl hexane. It is the name of the compound. It is the name of the compound. Again, if you think so, if you go to the rules of the IUPAC, then this name is again wrong. Di, because you have written the same, di comes first in the alphabetical order, D and E will let, so you have written the 4-dimethyl, 3-ethyl. But these are not considered in the alphabetical order. So only the methyl, only the M will be considered and E will be considered to select the alphabetical order. Which one come first? The E will become first. So the name of this compound, this di will be not considered. It is not considered in the alphabetical order. So the correct name will be 3-ethyl. You should write the all prefixes in the alphabetical order. 3-ethyl, 4-methyl, 4-dimethyl, 4-dimethyl and hexane. 3-ethyl, 4-dimethyl hexane. This will be the correct name of this compound. This will be the correct name of this compound. So I think that you understood all these problems. Now I come to the structure of 6. That is 6-ethyl, 3-methyl, 4-octane. The structure 6. The structure is 6-ethyl, 3-methyl, 4-octane. So you will write here the structure of octane. There will be 8 carbon atoms in this structure: CS3, CH2, and CH, double bond CH, CS2, CS2 and CS3. This is 4-octane. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the structure skeleton of the 4-octane. There are four octane. Now there are two groups. One is 6-ethyl and 3-methyl. So 3-methyl. Which one is third carbon? Here is third carbon. Right here hydrogen will be 1. So it will be named the methyl CH3. And here 6-ethyl. 6-ethyl. This one will be CH2 and CH3. Now we have written all the substitute 6-ethyl. This is 6-ethyl and this is 3-methyl. So the 6-ethyl, 3-methyl, 4-octane. This is the structure as the name given us the structure of the 3-ethyl, 3-methyl, 4-octane. Now I think that this name is correct. But when you check the longest chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, so there is longest chain is of 8 carbon, whether you taking this CS2 or this CS3, both are the same. You have given double bond CS3 and C2H5. This methyl and ethyl are on both the groups are on the same position. If you start from this, that 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then the name will be 3-ethyl, 4-methyl. Now you have to select 5 and 6, 3-ethyl, 6-methyl hex 4-ene. 3-ethyl, 6-methyl. Now there are two names of this compound. One and this one. In this way, I also found the second name from counting from this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So if I start the numbering from this end, then the name will be 3-ethyl and 6-methyl hex 4-ene, the same, it is 4-hexene, and in this also it is 4-methyl hexene. 8, sorry. I'm sorry, octene. Oct 4-ene, 4-octane. This was the, so both the name, this name and this name. This is 3-ethyl, 3-methyl, 4-octane. This is 3-ethyl, 6-methyl. Which name is correct? I have told you the rule. When ethyl and methyl alkyl groups are on both are the same location. Methyl and methyl are on the same location. Then the group which comes first in the alphabetical order will be given the list number in the lowest chain. So ethyl must be awarded the list number 3 number, and it is 6. So 6 methyl is wrong, and this name will be the correct name. This will be the wrong name, and this is the correct name of this compound, correct. Because ethyl comes first, E. This is E and this is M. E comes first in the alphabetical order, so E should be given the list number in this compound. So this name 3-ethyl, 6-methyl opt for in. You can write for opting in this way, opt for in, that is also a form of in. So for the last number 6, 3 ethyl, 2 methyl, 2 butene. So 3 ethyl, write this structure. If you write this structure of 3 ethyl, 2 methyl, 2 butene. So first of all you will write this CH3, CH, double bond CH and CH2, CH3. This is the structure, this is skeleton of the 2 butene, this is the 2 butene. Now we will write 3 ethyl. Suppose give the number 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So you have given the 3 ethyl. So remove one hydrogen from here and you will write here CS2 and CS3. 3 ethyl. 2 methyl. This is 2 methyl CS3. Remove the hydrogen from here. So it will be 2 methyl. It is 2 methyl, 3 ethyl, 2 methyl. As the name tells us the 3 ethyl, 2 methyl, 2 butene. So we have written the 3 ethyl, 2 methyl butene. We have written the name in the alphabetical order, so name is correct. So if you find here that 1, 2, 3, 4. So here one thing you should know, if I think that this name is correct, then again numbering must be started from here to provide the list number to this C2H5 group. So it must be 2 ethyl, it should be 2 ethyl, 3 methyl. It should be 2 ethyl, 3 methyl. But again, I am thinking here are the 4 carbon atoms. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms. So we have on mistake that in the selection of the longest chain, we have selected the wrong longest chain. So the longest chain will be of 5 carbon atom. So it is pentane. So either to give the list number to this double bond, we will start the numbering from here 1, 2. To give the list number to the double bond, will be given the list number in this structure, alkene. So 1, 2, and this is 3, and this is 4, and this is 5. Also, the parent compound will be 2-pentane. Parent compound will be 2-pentane. The parent compound will be 2-pentane. Now there are 2 substance groups which are methyl. One methyl is on the 2 and the second methyl on the 3rd carbon. So we will write the name of this 2, 3 dimethyl 2-pentane. The correct name of this structure will be 2,3 dimethyl 2-pentane. Now I have given you I have told this the structure and the name. All this the names are given wrong, and I have correct all the name in this way. So I think you understood it and try it to repeat it again and understand all the rules and regulation of the IUP system. Now I am proceeding on the 3rd type of the hydrocarbon, which are alkynes. So these are the 3rd type of hydrocarbons, as I told you in my previous video, that the alkenes, alkene, alkynes, and so on. Today I am telling you in this the nomenclature of alkynes. As you know, alkynes, al plus ine. So it is also here all the sound of the suffix will tell you whether it is a single bonded hydrocarbon. So these are the alkynes, and al plus ine. Al, you know, methyl So the general formula of the alkynes is CnH2n minus 2. If the number of carbon atom 1, then there will be no hydrogen, so there will be no alkyne of the C1. So the lowest member of the alkynes is C2H2. It is also known as acetylene. In the old name, the C2H2 is acetylene, and so C3 it is C3H4, C4H6, C5H8. Or you will add this C2. If carbon number of carbon is 2, then the hydrogen will be 2 into 2, 4 minus 2 CS2, C2S2. This is the acetylene or alkyne. So C3, add CS2 in this way, C3H4. Again add CS2 in this way, C4S6. This is butane, this is propyne, this is ethyne, this is pentyne, and this is hexyne. The molecular formula you will say only pentyne, hexyne, and butane etc. So if you write this structure formula of this alkynes, suppose you have written the only 2 carbon, so C2S2, the alkyne shows us the presence of triple bond. The alkyne shows us, tells us the presence of one triple bond. So here you will write the triple bond in this way, CH, triple bond, CH. This is there are 2 carbons, so alk will be H. So the name of this compound will be ethine. So the name of the compound will be ethine. And again, when carbon CS3, you will write CS3, C, CH4, C and CS. There are 4 hydrogen atoms, 3 hydrogen and 4. This carbon has no hydrogen because all the 4 valencies are occupied with this same. So here C3, C triple bond CH. This is the name of this compound will be propyne. So propyne. The name of this compound will be propyne. Here the name of this compound will be butane. Here the name CS3, CS2, and the triple bond CH. The name of this compound will be butane. The name of this compound will be butane. So here if I write the triple bond this place, so again it will be propyne. So there will be no difference if I write the triple bond here and here, both the structure will be the same. But in this case, the CS3 double bond is on the first position, or it is on the first position, 1 to 4. And if I write the triple bond between here, then the structure will be the same here. So this is CS3, CS2, C triple bond CH. This is CS3, C triple bond CS3. So this will be 1 butane and this will be 2 butane. Butane. So the name you can also write it but and but-2-ine. So 1 butane or 2 butane or but-1-ine or but-2-ine are the same thing. Again come to this point. Here this is the 5, this is the pentyne C5, and so here the name of this compound will be 1 pentyne. The name of this compound will be if I write this triple bond here, then you will count the number here. This will be 3 pentyne, but That will be wrong, because in that case CS3 must be given the list number, the triple bond must be given list number. So the counting will be started from this stage. So that will also, suppose I am taking the example. If you think that the triple bond, suppose I write this structure like this of the pentyne CS3C, triple bond C, CS2, CH3. This is the structure of pentyne. Suppose I write this triple bond in this place, and so you have this. So again, here we start from this end 2, 3. It is 3 to 4. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we start this numbering from this end. So it is one pentyne. This triple bond is here. Triple bond is given the list number. So here on the priority CH, and when the triple bond is shifted to this place, second carbon, this will be the 2 pentyne. Now I shifted the double triple bond on the third carbon. On the it has a 3 pentyne. 3 pentyne? No. Answer is no. This will be the wrong, because you should start the number from this side. 3, 4 and 5. This will be given. Why do you start the number from this side? To give the list number to the triple bond. So it is the numbering of this longest chain will be started from this point, and again this will be the 2 pentyne. It will be 2 pentyne. So in this case you should explain a triple bond should be giving the list number in the longest chain. Triple bond is always on the priority in alkynes. So again come to the point. 6 hexyne. This hexyne, this is CS3, CS2, CS2. This is one hexyne. This is one hexyne. Hex, one ion. You can write it in this way. All one hexyne. This is 1, 2. This the numbering is start from here 2 and 3. This is 2 hexyne, and this one, this will be 2, 3, 4. This will be the 3 hexyne, and in the same way, if I write here triple bond here, C, triple bond here, C, CS2, CS2 and CS3, here C and CS3. So the numbering will be start from this side. 1, 2, 3. Because C, a triple bond is nearer to this end. Here, this triple bond is equal to the both ends. So here it starts. So again, it is 2 hexyne. It will be 2 hexyne. So I think that you have understood all the names of the alkynes. So these video, I will continue this video for the alkane alkynes. Please watch my video. To clear the nomenclature or the IUPAC rules. So in my coming video, I will tell you about the different names of the alkynes and alkenes in a mixed way. And third, I will tell you about what are the enines. If there are double bond and triple bond, both are there in a singular, then they will be called the enine. So please watch my video. And I know that I have taken so much time to make you understand, but in my videos you will find the content that will help you learn the nomenclature of the hydrocarbon. If you have learned well the nomenclature of hydrocarbon, then there will be no difficulty will become in your in the nomenclature of the derivatives of the hydrocarbon, that are the acids, alkenones, alkenols, or alcohol, or acetone, or the cyanides, or the you can say nitrile. All these derivatives you will never find any difficulty. Please learn this the rules very well, and do practice at your home. And last is subscribe my channel, then I can get your views about my videos, so that why I can improve it more in the good way. Thank you.